Today, we're diving straight into Gigasheet's powerful features for big data analysis. And if you're eager to follow along, head over to gigasheet.com and sign up for free. As you can see, I've already uploaded my file. I've got about 1 million rows of sales transactions. At a glance, we see there are columns for everything from industry and date to purchase amount and website sessions. Let's optimize this data for better insights. First, I see some purchase amounts with the trailing decimals. Let's clean it up. I could do this manually by calculating a new column with a formula, but I'm going to leverage the AI Sheet Assistant. A quick command, and we have our numbers rounded neatly. Moving on to our purchase date, you'll see we have a timestamp, but it isn't very useful in this format. Let's imagine we want to understand which day of the week are the best sales days. Using Gigasheet's Explode Date function, we instantly break this down into days, months, and the specific day of the week. You'll notice new columns have been created for each component of the date. Each column has the prefix of the original date column. In this case, the new columns all start with purchase date and a hyphen. I also want to rename these new columns to remove the purchase date prefix. This is a powerful function and a great way to rename columns in bulk. It's especially handy for wide files that may have hundreds or thousands of columns. One quick find and rename, and we're in business. To keep our workspace streamlined, I'm hiding some columns. Here's a top tip. Use Gigasheet's Delete Hidden Columns to remove columns en masse and maintain a clutter-free zone. Now we can use the group feature and we get a clearer view of transactions by day of week. Next, let's create custom buckets for website sessions. Using the if builder, I can create the custom buckets based on my criteria. Here I'm categorizing them as high, medium, and low with the if function. This is an easy way to apply your own rules and label the data. I spotted a typo. Luckily, Find and Replace comes to the rescue. You can also access this with a Control or Command F keyboard shortcut. Next, I'll right-click on specific values to filter out the noise and focus on what matters. This right-click trick is a shortcut that helps in building complex filters. Next, let's craft a new column for the area code. Instead of manually slicing the first 3 digits with a formula, I'll simply ask the Sheet Assistant to handle it. And here's the magic. Without specifying details about the column or format, the Gigasheet Assistant intelligently deduces I'm referencing the phone number column. And voila! A fresh area code column appears. Beyond just reshaping data, let's dive into some real analysis with the Sheet Assistant. Which industry boasts the highest sales? And there you have it. The answer, clear as day. Gigasheet shows us groups by industry and aggregates the purchase amounts. Before we wrap, Let's create a quick visual. By highlighting our groups and rows, we can generate a quick graph showcasing top-performing industries, revealing utilities as the chart topper. That's it for today's Gigasheet Power Tips. As always, our support team at support@gigasheet.com is all ears and ready to help. Thanks for watching.